Welcome to our channel, the best spark plugs of the year in 2025, perfect for improving fuel efficiency, ignition, and overall power. Whether you drive a compact car or a performance beast, we've got you covered. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for the latest prices and availability. Let's dive into the top spark plugs for 2025. Number 5. The ACDelco GM Original Equipment 41121. One Iridium spark plug stands out as a high-performance, durable component designed to deliver reliable ignition and optimal engine performance. Crafted with an iridium core and nickel-top material, this spark plug is built for longevity and smooth operation, particularly in motorcycles and GM vehicles. Iridium, known for its superior strength and heat resistance, ensures exceptional engine idle stability and smoother overall performance. Its fine wire electrode design promotes efficient combustion, aiding in quick cold starts and responsive acceleration, perfect for riders or drivers in demanding conditions. Additionally, the self-cleaning feature helps burn away carbon deposits as they form, maintaining consistent performance over time. A key feature is the one-piece suppressor seal, which not only blocks potentially disruptive radio frequencies that could interfere with vehicle electronics, but also helps meter spark energy for longer electrode life. This added layer of protection prevents combustion leakage, contributing to the plug's extended durability. With a 14mm thread size, the 41121 offers a precise fit, especially in GM models, and has received strong user praise for its excellent build quality and dependable performance. If you're seeking a long-lasting OEM-quality spark plug that enhances ignition efficiency and reduces maintenance needs, the ACDelco 41121 Iridium is a top-tier choice. It's well-suited for those who value reliability, smooth acceleration, and cold start dependability. Number 4. The Anafuli Double Iridium Spark Plugs. 4-pack 91187-9029 is a high-performance replacement set designed to fit a wide range of Nissan vehicles, including the Altima, Frontier, Rogue, Sentra, Versa, and more. With a 12mm thread size and a precise 0.044 gap, these spark plugs are engineered for efficient combustion and long-term durability. Each plug features a 0.6mm fine wire iridium center electrode, which delivers superior conductivity and a more focused spark. The double iridium construction ensures enhanced wear resistance and consistent ignition over time, ideal for today's high-performance engines. Iridium's exceptional heat resistance also allows these plugs to maintain performance under high stress and temperature conditions. Thanks to laser-welded technology, these plugs improve fuel efficiency, cold start reliability, and overall engine smoothness. Drivers can expect quicker throttle response and reduced misfires, while the double iridium material extends service intervals, making them a cost-effective upgrade. The Anafuli spark plugs are also backed by a 12-month worry-free warranty and praised by customers for their affordability, quality, and easy fitment, especially when matched correctly to vehicle specifications. Whether you're replacing plugs in a daily commuter or upgrading for performance, this 4-pack offers OEM-level reliability with premium materials at an affordable price point. Anafuli delivers a solid choice for drivers who want durability, fuel savings, and peace of mind under the hood. Number 3. The NGK TR5GP Power Platinum Spark Plugs. TR5GP. 8-pack offers a perfect balance of affordability, performance, and durability for drivers looking to maintain consistent ignition in a wide range of vehicles. Manufactured by NGK, a trusted name in spark plug technology, these plugs feature a platinum core and top material, ensuring long-lasting ignition efficiency and minimal electrode wear. One of the standout features is NGK's G-Power Platinum design, which delivers improved throttle response, faster starts, and enhanced fuel economy compared to standard copper plugs. The Platinum tip allows the plug to operate over a wider heat range, making it ideal for both hot and cold engine conditions. This translates to better combustion efficiency and smoother performance across various driving environments. Additionally, NGK integrates a patented triple gasket sealing process, which effectively prevents combustion gas leakage, ensuring optimal compression and preventing pre-ignition. The plugs are also designed to resist carbon buildup, helping engines maintain cleaner combustion and consistent firing over time. With a 14 by 1.25mm thread size, these plugs are compatible with numerous engine types, and the pack of 8 offers great value for multi-cylinder vehicles or for keeping spares on hand. According to user reviews, they're also reliable enough for marine use. One customer keeps a set vacuum sealed in their boat, though they've never needed to use them before the annual service. For dependable performance, easy installation, and long-lasting spark delivery, NGK's 3186G Power Platinum plugs are a smart and practical choice. Number 2. The Bosch 96337OE. Fine Wire Double Iridium Spark Plug 4-pack is a premium ignition solution designed for modern vehicles that demand consistent performance and longevity. Built with both an Iridium firing pin and an Iridium ground electrode, this plug delivers 4x longer life compared to standard copper plugs, making it a reliable upgrade for cars, SUVs, and minivans. Bosch's 360-degree laser-welded ultra-fine wire firing pin improves ignitability while reducing voltage requirements by up to 24%, ensuring quicker starts, smoother acceleration, and better fuel economy. The pre-gap design is ready to install out of the box, eliminating the need for gap adjustments, which adds convenience and minimizes the risk of improper installation. The nickel-plated rolled threads offer excellent corrosion resistance and eliminate the need for anti-seize compounds, making installation easy and clean. Designed to meet or exceed OE standards, these plugs are compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including popular models from Honda, Acura, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, and Volkswagen. Users consistently praise the hassle-free install and dependable performance, with one reviewer noting, "No gap was needed and they spark up every time." That kind of reliability is exactly what you'd expect from Bosch's high-performance spark plug lineup. If you're looking to maximize engine efficiency, boost durability, and simplify maintenance, the Bosch 96337 double Iridium spark plugs deliver exceptional value and performance in one dependable package. Number 1. The Pack of 8 Genuine Motorcraft. Spark Plugs SP479 AGSF22WM offers an excellent balance of quality, reliability, and value for drivers seeking OEM-level performance. Manufactured by Motorcraft, Ford's trusted original equipment supplier, these spark plugs are designed to meet the exact specifications for fit, form, and function on compatible vehicles. Featuring a platinum core and platinum top, the SP479 spark plugs provide durability and consistent performance. Platinum electrodes help extend the plug's lifespan by resisting wear and maintaining a stable spark over time, which contributes to smoother engine operation and improved fuel efficiency. With a 14mm thread size, these plugs fit perfectly in engines designed for this specification, ensuring easy installation and a secure fit. As genuine Motorcraft parts, they guarantee compatibility and reliability compared to generic aftermarket alternatives. Customers appreciate that these plugs come at a price comparable to or even lower than many aftermarket options, but without sacrificing quality. One user noted, "These are the factory plug as inexpensive, if not more so, as aftermarket junk plugs. What else is there to say consider?" This endorsement highlights the strong value proposition of purchasing genuine Motorcraft plugs for long-term peace of mind. If you want spark plugs that offer OEM precision, dependable ignition, and solid durability, the Motorcraft SP479 Pack of 8 is a smart and affordable choice, especially for Ford vehicle owners aiming to maintain factory performance standards. Thanks for watching our roundup of the best spark plugs for 2025. Whether you're upgrading for performance, fuel efficiency, or reliability, these picks have you covered. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices and detailed specs. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive tips and reviews. See you next time, and happy driving!